Are you curious if you have what it takes to become a successful life coach and actually make money? Well, don't worry. I'm going to be going over in this video not only how you can become a successful life coach, but how you can go out there and make money as a successful life coach real fast. So stay tuned.
Yeah. We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And in this video, we're going to be going over we're going to be going over with people, do they have what it takes to actually be successful and make money as a life coach? And I promise you, it might surprise you. Let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, what is a life coach and can you be a life coach? So let's answer the first question first. What is a life coach, right? So a life coach is going to be someone who coaches people, right, on aspects of life and helps those people reach goals or targets that they have in their life faster than if they were to do it their own. See, think about a coach, right? A coach is there to be a guide. A coach is there to help someone, usually with systems that they have, through being able to get through or helping people get through that problem that those people might have, those prospects, those people that you're going to help, those clients that you would sign up. Right? So what we want to make sure that we do when we answer the question of can you do it is answering the question of can you or do you have a solution to a problem inside someone's life? What is it inside someone's life that you might have a solution for? Now, as life coaches that I've seen life coaches that help people when it comes to baking cookies, helping people when it comes to feeling good, helping people when it comes to feeling, right, an emotion, or helping people, right, when it comes to feeling a way about money or making more money or, in regards to this. But really, when you're looking at helping people, we're looking at three core markets when we're looking at specifically helping people. And those three core markets that we want to identify and look into when we're looking for our niches and the specific problems that we can help people with are what we classify as health, wealth, and relationships. So when we're really looking for those problems, right, that we can solve in the marketplace and provide solutions to, right, to people that need our help, we want to make sure that we're looking inside one of those three core marketplaces of health, wealth, and relationships, because the problems that we can create a solution for, start helping people with, become a life coach and start making money, right, with the solutions that we provide those people is going to be found in one of those three core marketplaces. Before I go into specifically how you can find the specific problem, the niche, the specific solution that you're going to provide, and then create an offer that people are going to pay you money, right, when you become a life coach to help them, right, with that solution, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 6 figures with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so now you know the three core markets. Let's talk about finding the problem, finding the niche that you're going to serve in those three core markets, right? And then going out there and identifying the problem and the solution that you're going to start providing to them so that you can start helping people as a coach when you become one and ultimately start getting paid as well. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we go into the marketplace and we identify one of those three core markets, health, wealth, or relationships. Then what we want to do is we want to go in there and identify a sub-market inside of there, right? So these are called marketplaces, right? So basically we're going to go in there and we're going to identify inside those three core markets, what are those sub-markets. So say we choose relationships. Well, one of the things we're going to identify in the relationships is going to be the what, right? What are those marketplaces? So are we talking to couples? Are we talking to married couples? Are we talking to divorced couples? Are we talking to recently broke up couples? Are we talking to couples who are thinking about getting married? Are we talking about couples who recently got married or couples who recently had a child? See how all of those are different sub-markets, and then what we want to identify inside one of those sub-markets, inside, right, of that relationship sub-market might be, right, the problem that they have, and then identifying inside that problem a solution that you can solve, right? So we know that inside the spouse or marriage relationships, there's a lot of problems. If you have a specific problem, right, that you can solve to help people who are married, then that right there is going to be the niche, and that right there is going to be the marketplace, and that right there is going to be the core market that you are going to serve, and that is how you're going to find it. So what we want to make sure that we do is we identify the niche that we want to serve, the problem inside that niche, right? And we want to go out there and make sure that we're creating messaging and talking to people inside that niche every single day about how we can help them with that problem that we identified that we are looking to create a solution for and help people with. All right, so you picked your problem, you know your niche, and now you're ready to go out there and you're ready to start helping people with a solution that you have and start making some money. So what we want to do is you have this now solution, right? You can solve that problem with your system, your thing, that solution that you've created. But now you want to go out there and you want to create an offer that you can consistently show people over and over and over again and make an offer to them to work with you so that they can get help with that solution that you have. But I think a lot of times life coaches make mistakes when they're creating their offer because what they're doing is they're creating a very vertical offer, right? That's only really talking to one specific person. What we want to make sure that we're doing is understanding that people, and even the same people that you're talking to, are going to consume and want to take in information and get helped with the problem that they have, right, in different ways. Some people might want to watch videos, some people might want to read, some people might want to listen to audio, some people might want to come to a live event, some people might want to come to a virtual event. What we want to make sure that we do is that we are providing, right, and answering to the internal and the external objections that people have so that we can make sure when we're providing this solution and showing this solution to them that they don't have any objections in their head around why they shouldn't get the solution that you're showing to them right now. So we want to answer questions like, can I do this, or do I have the resources to get this done, while also giving them a reason to take action now inside this offer. We want to provide bonuses and usually a timer, right, a deadline that they have to take action on this offer so that they know that if they want to get this offer with all the bonuses that we provided and the special price that we provided this offer for, that guess what? They need to take action now or within the time that this timer ends so that they can make sure that they can get this specific offer that was made specifically for them right now. And believe me, when you start doing those specific things, creating the offers this way, your offer is going to be so irresistible that you're going to have people running to you every single week begging you to take their money so that they can get your help. All right, so now you have this amazing offer that we just talked about. You're answering all those internal and external objections. You've given a reason to act now. You have this amazing solution. How are you going to make money with it, or how are you going to go out there and consistently make money with it? And what we do is we talk about doing what we classify as profitable presentations and going out there and demonstrating on a consistent basis, right? Every single week, how we can help people by actually helping people. And we put together these profitable presentations where we demonstrate to multiple people, right? People at mass, so that we can demonstrate to multiple people every single week, giving multiple people multiple wins every single week with these profitable presentations, helping people by actually helping people, and then going out there at the end of these presentations and asking people if they would like to get our help more so that they can reach that goal, reach that target that they have, that you can help be their guide on as a coach. And when we go out there and we put on these profitable presentations consistently every single week, that is going to help us not only be in the marketplace, but it's going to help us help people in the marketplace every single week, helping us build momentum, get more eyeballs on us, and guess what? Sign up a lot more people while creating a lot more impact inside the niche that we're looking to serve. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make your first or next 6 figures as a life coach or healer? Well, then I got a free gift for you called my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, and you can grab that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now in the description. Just click down here in the description and you can grab this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which is going to be a 22-page guide showing you how you can go out there and become a life coach and make 6 figures as a life coach following our very simple 3-step system. Make sure to click that link down there in the description and grab your free copy of that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking down there below and grabbing your free copy of this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. We'll see you in the next video.